So let's come back to our table 3A1 data. And now suppose that we have 65 respondents, as we did previously, but one of the respondents forgot to put in their age or chose not to put in their age. So let's say, just for argument's sake, that participant 12 did not put their age into the age box. We would end up with something like this. The problem here is that if we do a descriptive analysis, so I'll do a quick one here to show you. You don't have to follow this part. We see in the output, in the workbook, that we have 64 valid and 1 missing. So what this does is it affects our data, because if that one missing case isn't there, it could impact on other things within the data set. One missing case likely won't actually cause any problems, but for argument's sake, let's say we want to know the ages of all 65 respondents. For instance, their age is important to our research question. So what do we do? So to resolve this, to add in that missing case back in, you can't just choose a random number. As much as we're tempted to just put something in, unfortunately, that's not the right way to do it. What you'll typically need to do is replace it with what we call the mean. So the mean is if we take all of the ages and divide them by the amount of ages that are represented, in this case by 64, we will get an average that we can then indicate as that missing value. So what you're going to do is click Transform, go down to Replace Missing Values. We're going to select age as our new variable, and we can call it age 1. This is the default that SPSS chooses. It's important that the method you choose is the series mean, not the mean of nearby points, linear interpolation, trend at point. The best approach is usually the series mean. And then press OK. So now we can see the result of that. Age 1 has replaced one missing value, and it has replaced it with the mean of all of the other ages that are reflected there. If we go back to our data view, we can see our new column, age 1, with the corresponding ages still reflecting accurately for all respondents. 57 is 57. Participant 5, 70 is 70. Participant 9, 19 is still 19. But now we can see that participant 12, who previously had a blank space there, has been identified as 41.6, or rounded 42 years of age. And again, that is based on the mean of the series.